Hi, my name is Landau. I am the project technical lead leading service design and creation. SDC is an IDE for network service creation. As an IDE, SDC provides the tools for designing services and to create the necessary artifacts for the service orchestration. Before you start working with ONAP, you have to model your service. The modeling is done in SDC. SDC provides a graphical interface for users to model their services. SDC provides a set of visual tools for that. You can use, by dragging and dropping different components onto the SDC canvas, you can actually model your service. You can see what connects to where, what are the capabilities and requirements each VNF provides to your service. SDC provides a way for vendors to onboard the VNFs into the SDC catalog. Once there, they become building blocks for SDC. These building blocks can be later reused across different services that service providers need and want to create. For next release, we are already working on including additional designers like Policy Designer and Clamp Designer. Before SDC, you had to manually go across different files and configure small parameters across different number of files and then collect them. SDC comes to solve this problem. In ONAP, SDC is the design time component. It handles all the design time activities. Other components in ONAP are responsible for receiving the CSR SDC distribute and keeping it for runtime activities. Under SDC, you have a multiple number of designers. As you can see in the diagram, SDC includes different designers that each and every one of them adds different artifacts to this Tosca CSR that is later distributed. As an example, for R1, SDC includes the main VNF and service creation designer. In addition, we also have a workflow designer. For next release, we are already working on including additional designers like policy designer and clamp designer. The VNF package for R1 is retrieved from the VNF SDK, which serves as a repository for the vendor packages. This package, once onboarded into SDC, we add to it the vendor metadata, and then it is added to the SDC catalog. From this point, we start the service design. The packages that are uploaded are used as building blocks in that service. The designer connects the different VNFs and adds deployment artifacts to them. SDC allows different artifacts to be added to the service or to the VF. The artifacts can be informational type or deployment type. Informational type includes documentation and such that the vendor can provide for the VNF itself. Deployment artifacts can be heat files that are used for orchestration or different configuration files that are used for the application itself. After the design of the service is complete, we promote the service across the lifecycle up to the point that it can be distributed to the runtime components. The distribution is done using a Tosca CSR. The CSR includes all the Tosca models modeled in SDC and all the artifacts that were added to the service during the design time. This CSR will be used by the different runtime components to orchestrate this service.